To determine if you should buy Robinhood stock in 2025, start by understanding what Robinhood is. Robinhood is a financial services company that offers commission-free trading of stocks, options, exchange-traded funds, and cryptocurrencies. First, evaluate the company's financial health by looking at its revenue growth, profit margins, and debt levels. Check if Robinhood has consistently increased its revenue and has manageable debt. Next, consider the competitive landscape of the online brokerage industry. Robinhood competes with other established players such as Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. Assess if Robinhood has a unique selling proposition that sets it apart from its competitors. Now, examine the regulatory environment. As a financial services company, Robinhood is subject to various regulations and laws. Check if there are any potential regulatory risks that could impact the company's operations and stock price. In addition, consider the growth prospects of the online brokerage industry. With the increasing adoption of digital trading platforms, the industry is expected to grow in the coming years. Assess if Robinhood is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. It is also essential to evaluate the company's management team and corporate governance. Check if the management team has a proven track record of executing the company's strategy and if the corporate governance structure is sound. Furthermore, consider the valuation of Robinhood stock. Compare the company's price-to-earnings ratio with that of its competitors and the industry average. Assess if the stock is fairly valued or if it is overvalued or undervalued. Finally, consider your own investment goals and risk tolerance. If you are looking for a long-term investment in the online brokerage industry and are willing to take on the associated risks, then Robinhood stock may be worth considering. However, if you are risk-averse or have short-term investment goals, you may want to explore other investment options. In conclusion, whether or not you should buy Robinhood stock in 2025 depends on various factors, including the company's financial health, competitive landscape, regulatory environment, growth prospects, management team, valuation, and your own investment goals and risk tolerance. It is essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before making an informed investment decision.